Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 XLT in agate black, grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 3.5-liter V6 engine, and it's an EcoBoost. It's also a 4x4. It has the XTR package, which adds a little shine with chrome bumper, handles, grille, and running board. It also has a backup camera, and it's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, and the lighting controls here. With the help of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, as well as a menu. And we'll just toggle through there. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode, and when you press it, it'll appear on your dash, normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And that was simply by pushing the tip of your shifter. You have a little bin there, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and your display screen is a touch screen. We can go into sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And then you can go into settings and slide through for different options, things like Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect. You can even make the changes to the lighting on your screen. And then when we put our vehicle in reverse, you're going to see the backup camera view. And there you go. And down below, volume and tuner, and then your fan, as well as your front defrost, AC and max AC. You have 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and an integrated trailer brake controller. A couple of USB outlets and a 12 volt. There's a little bin down there. Your armrest has a couple of cup holders, an armrest with storage. And then you can flip this up for another seating position. You have a seat belt. And underneath, when you unclip, you have more storage. Off to the side is your 12 volt, and you also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you also have a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. Mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And just below the handle is your backup camera. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. You've got a nice line box. It's 5.5 feet with tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away. Or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. In the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab and then lift the seat. That gives you more room on the floor. And then to bring it down, pull the tab again, and it's in the regular seated position. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And on the floor, you have carpeted mats. It also comes with all-weather mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, you have a 12 volt, couple of cup holders, and on the left-hand side, there's a couple of USB outlets. Grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back, access to a big window. Mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.